Greetings ladies and gents, Aussie from Heath and Sen here and welcome to my channel. Alright, today we have got something very exciting for me. Now this is a delivery that's just come in today and it is something very new to this certain company. Black Magic Organic, and well, let's unbox this first. So, you know, you've got your recycled cardboard box and, you know, if you saw my last Black Magic Organic video, then you know what the presentation is like, but still, regardless, let's open this up and get this going. So, you got it themed just like, you know, the last video, you got like the black confetti and everything like that, and you got two lovely little packages over here. So this is what was really surprising for me. Now, because these are the first two fragrances that Black Magic Organic have come out with. So there's your box presentation. We've got two of them. Let me just get these out of here and we'll get everything started. The two fragrances we've got, one of them is an EDP and one of them is an EDT. The EDP is called Club Intense and the EDT is called SUAVE Blue. Now, I don't know which one I'm going to start off with. We'll start off obviously with one of them, so we'll go with this box first. Now, what I love about this is obviously because it's all made in-house and everything, and so you know the perfumer, the nose behind these fragrances are none other than the owner of the company, Ricky Smedley. So this is his first foray into fragrances, so I'm very excited about this, see what he's got to offer. Now let's get this nice and open up because we've got this lovely gold seal with the company name on it, and obviously in the box you've got the logo as well. And let's go for it. Okay, let's get this opened up. Cool. And now, so you know, they all come in 10mm travel atomizers. They haven't got like any sort of bigger sizes at the moment because this is like the first batch run and everything like that. So we've got the first one right over here. It comes in the silver atomizer. I think the silver atomizer, that one is the EDT. So let's give that a test spraying. Okay. Ooh, hello. I don't know the notes of these fragrances. I think I read it once before, but obviously being blue is going to be definitely a freshie. Okay, let's get this going. Okay, let's give this a smell, see how it goes. Ooh, okay. Oh, it's definitely nice and fresh. It's seems woody, kind of green. Ooh, okay. A little bit spicy, like maybe it's got like a bit of like Ambrox in it or something like that. I like that. Give us a second, I'll look at the notes. So the notes for this fragrance are, so we've got grapefruit, bergamot and lemon zest at the top. And at the heart, we've got violet, patchouli and black pepper. And at the base, we have got musk, incense and ambroxan. This one is actually quite nice. Yeah, I don't know how I'm getting like those green sort of qualities, but like it's an interesting mixture in there. But you definitely get like the black pepper in there. It's actually quite good. I'll definitely have to give it like a few wearings and see how it goes, give it a review and go from there. And now let's get the Club Intense open up. Now over here, you've got the black atomizer. Okay, not quite getting anything just yet from it. But here it goes, give it a spray. Ooh, okay. Ooh, ooh. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Oh, that's citrusy. It's spicy. Oh, it's fresh. It's got this. It seems like it's got like a bit of ambroxan in this one too. Oh, ooh, fresh. I love it. Let's check the notes on this one. So the notes we've got for this fragrance are blackcurrant, lemon, apple, and white grapefruit at the top. And at the heart, we have got jasmine and birch bark. And at the base, we have got vanilla and ambroxan. Ooh. Definitely that ambroxan is coming through. It's so citrusy at the top. The jasmine is definitely there. It's not heavy, at least not on the opening. But I'd definitely love to give this a few more rings as well. Give this one a review too. So you'll be seeing reviews for both of these fragrances very soon. So there's my first impression of Black Magic Organics first two fragrances in their 10ml sizings. I'm going to leave a link in the description below to Black Magic Organic store so you can buy them if you'd like, and you'll see a review for these very soon. In the meantime, please go check out Black Magic Organic. I hope you like what you see and what you hear. If you do, please hit the like button, comment down below if you smelled these before, and please hit the subscribe button and that notification bell for more fragrant videos like this straight to your feed. I hope you're all doing well, guys. And remember, if you smell good, you feel good. Blessed be to you all, and I'll see you on the next video, guys.